My daughter saw one of these piggies on a classmate's backpack and decided she had to have them. So we now have 40 little piggies that she bought with her own allowance, and she is so glad she did. They are very cute, I'll give them that. They have this great little snout, they're super sturdy, just a nice hard resin piggy. The eyes are super cute, and it definitely looks like they're all hand done. They're all just slightly unique. And I do love that they even have a little piggy tail. And the metal piece in the top is really nicely in there. And how my daughter wants to use them is to hook onto this and put it on a keychain so she can attach it to her backpack. Now, however you intend to use these lovely little piggies, they are really quite cute, and with 40 of them, you can have a lot of fun. And I know these come in a variety of other animals as well, which I'm sure are just as sturdy and colorful and just slightly handcrafted as well. And if you want, you can actually remove the top piece as well, so then it's just a good old piggy. And you can twist it back in too.